important. Hello, and before we begin today, I would like us to take a moment to choose a simple intention for today's session. We're focusing on your nervous system is setting your ceiling. Your intention should be simple, not forced, something organic to you. It could be, I want clarity. It could be, I want internal calm. It could be, I want to return to myself. Or even, I want my nervous system to feel safe again. Let whatever intention wants to come forward, organically let it rise. Now, before we move deeper, I want to ask for your permission. Is it okay if I guide you? Is it okay if I help your mind soften so your body can lead for a moment? Is it okay if I support you in regulating the system that carries your leadership? If you're here and the answer is yes, you can simply exhale, soften your jaw, and relax. This isn't for you. All good. Have a wonderful life. Let's push forward. Now let's arrive. Arrive in your seat. Arrive in your breath. Arrive in your body. There's nothing to fix right now. There's nothing to perform. There's nothing to hold up. Just arrive. Notice your feet on the ground. Notice the weight of your body in the chair. Notice the temperature of the room. And notice how your breath moves without any effort from you. Your only job right now is to let yourself be here. Go ahead and place one hand on your stomach and one hand on your heart. We'll breathe together. In through your nose, slow, allowing your stomach to rise, and out through your mouth, gently, letting your body soften. Again, in through your nose, feel your breath expand your rib cage, and out through your mouth, allowing something inside you to loosen without needing to name it. One more time, in and out. Good. Now let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Soft, smooth, unforced. Notice how with each breath, your mind becomes a little quieter. Your shoulders become a little heavier. Your body becomes more available. Available for clarity. Available for regulation. Available for truth. If your mind drifts, that's okay. Just return to the rise and the fall of your breath. And let your breath guide you deeper into yourself. Now, I want you to imagine a version of yourself whose nervous system is regulated. This version of you leads from clarity instead of urgency. See them. Notice their posture. Notice their breathing. Smooth, steady, unhurried. Notice how they hold their energy. Not tightly, not defensively, intentionally. This version of you isn't easily thrown off center. Their thoughts are precise. Their emotions inform but don't overwhelm. Their boundaries hold effortlessly. Their decisions align with your long-term vision. They move like someone who trusts themselves. In a moment, I'm going to ask you to breathe in and imagine stepping into this version of you. Stepping into their clarity, their groundedness, stepping into their nervous system, the one that supports your leadership. You ready? Inhale and step fully into them, and exhale, letting dysregulation fall away behind you. All of the chaos is gone. Good. Now let this regulated identity settle into your body. Feel what it's like to think from here, to breathe from here, to lead from here. This is your anchor. This is your internal reference point, the place you return to when the world gets loud. Imagine now a calm, steady field of energy surrounding your body. A clear, grounded perimeter about 1 foot beyond your skin. This is your regulation field. And inside here are your thoughts staying clear. Your emotions stay contained. Your energy stays protected. Urgency has no access, and overthinking cannot penetrate. Feel that field around you, steady, firm, supportive. Nothing enters this field unless you invite it. Nothing drains you unless you allow it. Nothing pulls you out of yourself without your permission. This field is your leadership baseline. And as you sit here breathing easily, your subconscious mind begins learning a new truth. Clarity is available. Regulation is natural. Internal safety is your baseline. Your nervous system supports your decisions. And your body knows how to return to equilibrium. There's no need to push harder to be powerful. You don't have to hustle to be effective. And you don't need to carry everything at once to lead well. Your regulated state is your greatest asset. Now, picture a moment in the week ahead, a moment where pressure rises or decisions stack, a moment that normally tightens your body. And see yourself pausing, breathing, feeling your regulation field, letting clarity rise before action. Maybe you speak clearly. Perhaps you slow down. Maybe you make a decision from grounded wisdom instead of urgency. Notice how natural it feels now, how accessible regulation is, how quickly your body finds its way back to center. You don't force regulation anymore. You embody it. When you're ready, I'd like for you to bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel your stomach rise and fall. Feel your feet on the ground. Feel the room around you. Feel your body quieter, steadier, more available. And when you're ready, open your eyes slowly, softly, present. And take a moment now. Notice how you feel. You feel more grounded, clear, more centered, spacious. And even if you feel relaxed, this was also a recalibration. Carry this version of yourself into the week, the one who leads from clarity, the version of you that thinks precisely and returns to regulation on purpose. This is the foundation of sustainable leadership.